So I watched the video on how to keep your smoker going, and man recommended on YouTube with like pine straw, get it going real well, and then use pellets. So that's what I'm gonna try to do today. Okay. I'm only gonna work for probably right at an hour, so I only need a little bit. Alright, so here's what I'm going to use. So I don't have pine straw, but I did watch a man use cardboard. Anyway, I'm going to use a little cardboard and use that to get it started good. Okay. I'll throw these leaves down in there. Okay. And I'm going to add a little bit of cardboard. Get it flaming good. Hot. There we go. All right, I got flame. Good flame going. All right, now we're going to add some pellets. All right, we're doing it now. This is happening. All right, this is working. More flame. More flame, more pellets, right? How it works. Oh, all I got is flame right now. I guess it's that cardboard. Way too much flame. But it should get the pellets going. Let's do this, see what happens. Now I'm getting smoke. It's kind of a blue smoke. Not a whole lot. It's actually kind of cool smoke too. Yeah, it's a cool smoke. Not much smoke though right now. Let's see if I need more pellets. Okay. Let's kick back in again. I know I'm probably doing this wrong. Let me get some leaves back in it. Okay, so I just put more leaves in it and it seems to be working fine now. So, all right, we're gonna rock and roll.